Hi! In front of me is Nokia 6320 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size on this device. Firstly, go into menu. Now access device settings and go into device. From here you need to scroll down, select accessibility, tap on large text over here and choose on to enable it. As you can see, size of my font has changed. If you wish to make it smaller though, you can click on large text again, but this time select off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!